Alright, boys and girls, welcome to a beautiful day where we present Zach Bryan and Gabriella Rose's Madeline. Great song here on Growing Guitar. And we have this very guitarish song, only 3 chords, and it's played with one chord progression through the entire song. Love that scenario. Let's go into this. Okay, setup here is capo on 6. That's the absolute best scenario. 3 chords, like I mentioned, starting with G, and that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is the C add 9. So you basically move down the bass strings here, or fingers, 1 string. So that will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E still down there, right? And then we have the E minor, and again that's 3rd B and 3rd E is glued there through the entire song. So E minor goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, and still 3rd B, 3rd E. And there you have the chords. So let's go into this strumming, and we have a 2-part strumming here. So if you grab the first chord G, we're gonna learn first the part 1. It goes like this. So it's down, down, up, down, up. The first down I play on the bass strings, and then second down I play on the higher strings, and then I continue with the up, down, up on the mid, higher area. So that is part 1. Down, down, up, down, up. And then it continues with part 2. That will be just 1 down, a short pause, and then up, down, up. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So. And a couple of rounds. And so on. All right, so let's go into that chord progression that works through the entire song. You're gonna play G, 1 full round. That means part 1 and part 2. Then you go to C add and play the same there, 1 full round. Then you go to E minor and play part 1. Then to C add, play part 1 again, the down, down, up, and then you end with 1 full round of G. And that's it. So G 1 full round, C 1 full round, E minor part 1, C part 1, G 1 full round, like this. And that, my friends, is how simple it can be to play a great song called Madeline from Bryan and Rose. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tuned.